Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install, these are wall outlet covers that have built-in LED night lights. So I'm going to show you the step-by-steps, and they're pretty easy and simple, and you can see how they look like, how they're designed, and the LED, and then that's the sensor for the light. Okay, so the first step is just basically cutting off the power. You can choose, I guess, the specific room or whatever, but I'm doing multiple ones, so I'm just going to do the whole house. Okay, and after you turn off the power to the house or to whatever area you're doing, I already made sure there's no electricity, so then you just take off the wall outlet using the screws. Most of the time they're flathead. I don't think I've seen Phillips, but just use the ones that you have on yours. And after you take off the wall plate, you get the new one, and you can see on the side, it just makes contact with these metal things for the side of the wall outlet. So, and make sure the LEDs are pointing down, unless you want them up for some reason, but you just open it up. Try to get them in there properly. Let's see if I can get it in. There you go. And then just put the new screws on there. Kind of a little bit off on this one. Okay, I got it in there, and I already screwed it on. It was just kind of weird how it kind of bumps it up with the sides. I don't know. You can see, like, when you do your own, you'll be able to see, but I'll show you how it looks like after I put the power back on. I'm just gonna install a couple of more, but I'm not gonna show on the video, but I'm gonna show you how one looks like after it's been installed. Thanks. Okay, then now that I have all of them connected, just go ahead and just turn the power back on. And then go check them out. Okay, and that's how they look like when you install them. It's flush, and it's a little bit thicker than the normal wall outlet, just a little bit, I guess, to compensate for the light. But you can see how it installs. And then when the light goes out, or when it gets dark, you can see the LEDs, how they show up on the bottom. So I hope this video was informational. It helps you out if you want to get some on your own as well. I got these Slick Deals or whatever, but I'm sure you could get them anywhere. All right, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and let me know what you think. Thank you.